In this problem, we'll consider the Taylor series expansion for 1 over 1 minus x. The Taylor series expansion goes 1 plus x squared plus x the third plus x the fourth, which is pretty simple compared to some of the others. Summation n equals 0 to infinity, x to the n. So this is the Taylor series expansion for 1 over 1 minus x. There's a catch on this one that we did not have for the Taylor series expansions for e to the x or sine x or cosine of x, and that this is valid only if the absolute value of x is less than 1. So if the absolute value of x is greater than 1, then these terms are getting bigger and bigger, and the series diverges. However, if the absolute value of x is less than 1, or said another way, that x is between -1 and +1, then this series converges by the ratio test. And so this converges. So that's the Taylor series expansion. You may recognize this, that if we started with this series, this is an infinite geometric series. The first term is 1, and you multiply by x to go from one term to the next. So using the formula from pre-calculus, the sum of this series is the first term 1 over 1 minus the common ratio x, which I multiply by to go from one term to the next. Anyway, all this to say that this series here is something that should have been seen even in pre-calculus when you consider geometric series.